So this week we will be recording and using module number 4, developing an exercise plan and nutrition. There will be a module overview. That module overview can be found in module number 4, and it basically explains to you what we'll be working on this week. By the end of the lesson, you'll be able to define the beginning stages of your physical activity fitness log, evaluate your current nutrition habits and identify areas for improvement, describe how relapses can happen in physical fitness and how to evaluate your own experiences with relationships to exercise. Explain your interest in physical activity to your friends and family. Ask them to support your efforts. Invite friends and family members to exercise with you. You also will be doing some social activities that involve exercise. You'll be able to discuss nutrition and how it impacts exercise. So for this lesson, it is a bit long lesson, okay, but by the end, you'll be able to demonstrate overcoming workout relapses. That's published by the American Council of Fitness. You'll participate in discussion and response to classmates on 3 points that stood out from the lesson. Why did you select those 3 points? What did it teach you about overcoming workout relapses? What can you share from your own experiences with relapses in relations to exercise? You should submit your fitness journal and identify the exercises you completed in the attachment in the text box. You'll submit your discussion for nutrition as well as final assignments for the information you gained about nutrition. It is a long assignment. I have included a video introduction to go over each module on time management and workout relapses. You also will have an article to read in here about relapses in workouts. And then you will have a class discussion, and basically your goal is to describe and identify potential barriers to exercise that you have and develop individual exercise plan. So after you do your reading on workout relapses, you will post an initial post, and then you'll reply to peers. I have also put helpful resources on Netiquette and how we interact in the discussion groups. And then to follow your grading on this, there is a 3 prongs up in the right-hand corner that has the rubrics in which you can refer to make sure that you get all the points for the discussion. Once you're done with that, you will go over the outcomes and overview of time management, and you will use time management skills to reduce stress and increase happiness. That also helps interplay with setting goals and not having workout relapses. Time management is very, very important. And then there's 2 videos to this, so you'll watch 2 videos for time management. You'll take a self-check quiz on time management from the materials, and I do want to let you guys know that this quiz is open book, and you can open it up, start it. If you can't finish it, you can come back later. You have 3 attempts, and I will take your highest score in those attempts. And then you'll do your own assignment on time management and workout relapse. So the instructions for this is again, I need you to write the 3 points that stood out from the video. Why did you select those points? What did you learn about those points that you chose and the time management? And what can you share from your own experiences with the 3 points you chose on time management? You will also put that in the text box and hit submit. You do have a rubrics that is applied to this, so my best recommendation is to look at the scoring on the rubrics to make sure that you've hit every point. Once you're done with the workout time management, you will also do a section on nutrition and diets. Okay, the nutrition part, the overview, you'll read a couple articles that are in here. And then when you're done reading those articles, you will do some further review on some hunger scales, and then there will be a section on fad diets, because I think that's important to know all of the diets that are out there, that not every one of them works. Or it's better just to probably work out and get a good exercise program going. And there's a video, How to Spot a Fad Diet. Important that you do watch all of that material. And what I'm going to, I also connected a couple more resources, optional resources, if you want to do some further reading and watch a video on that. And then when you're done, you're going to have a discussion, and you're going to take your SMART goal you did in week 2 and the nutrition part that you did this week, and you're going to think about the 3 goals that you want to achieve in your diet and use your SMART goals to guide those. You're going to write them down. You're also going to respond to a classmate on what you think of their SMART goals and any changes or suggestions you can help give them on their SMART goals. This is an open discussion. And then when you're done with that, you have a food log assignment that needs to be done, and the information you get from the food log will come from the nutrition section, so you can always refer back to those. But this one is basically, it's called Choose My Plate or Ace Fit Nutrition, and you're going to fill out the forms, and then you're just going to attach them in the text box and submit them. And then your final part is we have the wrap up. So what you need to learn is how to create an exercise plan, how to incorporate and understand nutrition, how it impacts exercise, and how time management plays a role in your exercise plan and workout relapse. You'll read materials on workout relapses, time management, nutrition, and how to create an exercise plan. You'll watch a couple videos on time management and fad diets. You'll participate in 2 discussions, replying to peers on workout relapses and how to apply SMART goals to nutrition. And then you'll submit a self-check quiz on time management. I also have attached some additional resources that were not in there, but if you wanted to take a look at some time management and stress and some more nutrition, I have attached those here as well. Once you are done with that, I will grade the module and it will be posted within 48 hours. Thank you.